Just a quick before video because I always forget to do it. I already got that off. This is, gotta get these headlights out and add a halo in there. So that's the plan for today. And yeah, so it's time to get to work. Alright, we back. Still gotta put everything back together, but halos are in. Regular RGB, no chasing on these, so whole ring lights up one color at a time, but those are in. Everything's sealed up, double sealed. This is black RTV, this stuff right here. So this is what I normally use. Black gasket maker. That's empty, but yeah, so that's that. It's sealed up. Opened them with heat gun and screwdriver. So took a lot of work, but got them done. Probably would have been easier putting it in the oven, doing all of that, but it's kitchen stuff going on with the oven today, so ain't got time to put headlights in there. But yeah, these are done. Power is hooked up straight to this fuse box with whatever else I had hooked up on this car. So it's tied in together, grounded right here. So I think that's that. Yeah, I ended up adding these plugs for this light. This is a signal light. That's a signal light. They light up white at night, so it's like a switchback kind of deal. And then this is a light up grill emblem. So I did these like a year or so ago, but the wires just ran straight to the harness over here. So instead of cutting these off and then having to re-splice them back together every time we take the bumper off, I found some HID plugs. So I got these hooked up to where now I can just plug them right into this. So it's a plug and go kind of deal. So next time I gotta take the bumper off, instead of cutting wires and re-splicing and undoing tape and all of that, we can just plug them up and it's good to go. So that's that. Let me go ahead and put this bumper back on so y'all can see this finished. Alright, so here we are with the finished product. Looking like we never touched it. So that's that, and on to the next one.